Hi guys, welcome back. Okay, so today we are going to be doing a craft together, so let's get started. Okay guys, so today I have LED string lights. These are build and paint your own birdhouses. So there's 3 birdhouses here. Now there is examples on the back what to do, and it shows you right here. And then it says, glue the loose parts together, let dry, customize the birdhouse to your liking by painting in different colors, glitter, etc. Let dry. Push the LED string lights through the top of the opening and hang. So it does not have the batteries or the glue or other craft supplies in here. So let's I'm gonna try to do the first 3 because I have 2 boxes. I'm gonna do a pink, a blue, and a red, and I dug out some paints to try, so like some pinks and red and black, and the other one is light blue, dark blue, and this one is the 2 pinks. So I'm gonna open it up and we're gonna get started. I figure I'm gonna paint first and then put it together, and once it's together I'll get some little stickers or something and put the stickers on. So let's get started. This is your string of LED lights, and you got to put your batteries in here. I use these on my background all the time, so yeah. So they feel like wood and they're pre-cut, so all you got to do is pop them out just like that. So they'll twist out, so you can just pop them out, all of your houses, and then we'll paint them and then we'll put them together. Okay, so I have 2 little houses piled up here. This is the bottom platform and this is the roofs. So I'm going to use a darker color for those, and then the lighter color for the front and back and sides. So I'm just going to paint these ones pink. I'll fast forward and then we'll be back. So I have them painted, and I did a quick coat on the back because I'm not sure if you'll be able to see it or not. So these are the pink ones, these are going to be the roofs and the bottoms, and these are the middles and the sides. Now there's 10 little houses in total on the string, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to paint the other houses, and then I'm going to come back and we're going to assemble them all, and then we're going to go from there. These are all painted, so now we're just going to assemble them. So what we're going to do is put the roof pieces in. There's one side. And then we're going to put the other side on of the birdhouse. They're a little stiff to get in the hole, the small holes that are cut. Okay, now we're going to put the other side of the roof on. And how you know the top part is, there's a little notch here, and that's for the light, that when you put down the light. So you're going to line it up and put that on. Let's retry that. Try on this side first. Okay. And now this side. Try to get the wood flush. It is not the easiest to put together. Okay, so that's that side. Try again on the other side. Now these two holes match up with these two peaks on this side. It's extremely hard. Let's try this one. Okay, so that one is on. Have to put the back side on. There. Okay. Okay, so the roof is on. So what I'm going to do is just drop a little bit of glue on each little opening to glue it shut. This glue will dry clear. This is glitter glue. Okay, and now we have the sides, which are these pieces here. And they slide in right here. Ouch. Okay, so this side is in. We got to get this side in, so a little bit more closer, tighter. That side is in. So we're going to put the other side on. Again with the grooves. You're just matching up the grooves. Okay, so that's that side. Now we're going to do this side. There. Okay. So the sides are on. The front, the back, the roof. So now we're going to put the bottom. It has 4 prongs, and this also has 4 prongs. You're going to line up 2 and then 2. Until it goes on. Those 2 are on. We gotta get the front too. Oh. So what we're gonna do is for the bottom, this is the bottom platform. You're gonna line up the 4 grooves and you're gonna push in till it's snug. That one is in and this side is in. Just like that. And there is the cute little house. The front, the back, the sides, the roof, and the bottom. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to assemble all 10 of them and then we'll be back. I have all the little houses put together. So now what I'm going to do is I have these borders, these jeweled borders, and they look like little flowers. So I'm just going to cut off some. I'm going to put a couple little flowers on each house. And then I'm going to show you how I put the lights on. And then we're going to call it the finished product. So I'm just going to put a couple of these on. And then I'll go ahead and put the rest on off camera. And then I'm going to come back and show you. Okay, so all I'm doing is I'm going to put the little flower right there and another one on the other side. Just like that. And I'm going to do all of them exactly the same. I'm just going to put a couple of them down. They look like little flowers growing up onto the birdhouse, which are super cute. And then just going to put them on all of the birdhouses and then I'll be back to show you the assembly of it. Just like that. So I'm going to fix this one and move it over just a little bit. And fix this one and move it down. But, so that's what it's going to look like, with just a little flower in the bottom. So I'm going to do all of them and then I'll be right back. So in the kit they give you your lights. I put all the little flowers on the houses now. They're all done. And all you have to do is put your own batteries in. So I have 2 AAs in there. And then you can turn them on just like that. And what you do is once you've got all the houses done, you just pull your lights apart, and then your lights, there's a little hole at the top of each house, and your lights will push down into the birdhouse just like that. There. So now it's sitting inside the birdhouse. And the birdhouse will light up. So, and you just feed them all through any way you want, any colors. So I got purple. I'm going to put a yellow. They're a little touchy, a little bit snug, but you can definitely get it in there. You just got to be patient. So you're just going to feed it all the way across. And then this is going to be used in my new background. When I change my background around, then it's going to be up in my new background. So all I'm going to do is put the birdhouses on there, and then eventually you will see the birdhouses in my new background. So that was the kit. Thanks for watching, everyone. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Please hit the notification bell so that you're notified every time I do an upload. And I will see you guys on the next video. Bye, everyone.